What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Top 5 Finance. Today we're going to be going over Nio Stock, what I think of it, what analysts are saying, and whether or not I think it's a buy right now. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new, and let's jump right into it. So if you don't know what Nio is, it's basically an electric car company that's trying to compete with Tesla. It's pretty similar in a way. If we look at some of the cars that they have here, you can kind of get an idea of what they look like. Personally, I think that the Tesla definitely looks better, but they're in the right market for the current times, and I think are in a market that'll be around for quite a while. Yeah, so there's an SUV, a couple of things like that. They are a Chinese company, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, they make electric cars looking to compete with Tesla, and they have been on an absolute tear lately, partially due to the fact that there is a good opportunity here and it is a good company, and also it's probably just a little bit of hype. Because over the last 6 months, they are up 1,238%. Yes, that is right. In May, they were around, what is this price right here? $1.95 per share, and now they are over $48 per share. They're basically doing what Tesla did at an early stage. And I think a lot of it has to do with the hype, but what are the experts saying? Let's take a look at that. So according to the Motley Fool, the main reason that they were rising a lot recently is basically just good earnings reports and just bullish news on the company. It's not like, basically the company is so new they haven't done a whole lot yet, but everything that they do that is good is just good for the stock. The stock is getting a ton of publicity from different news publications to Twitter to stock trading groups because it is a competitor to Tesla, and Tesla's had such an insane run. So basically any good news that comes out about Nio in any sort of way is going to make the stock go up. The car is pretty popular in China. Basically, it's like the Tesla of China, and many people are saying it is a buy simply because the electric vehicle industry in China is expected to grow, much like it is in the United States, but probably even a little bit faster there in their coastal cities. For me, a big thing with buying stocks that are up such a high percentage like Nio is already, is I feel like I've already missed out on the hype, but this is such a new emerging market that may not be the case. It may be not a bad idea, and this of course is not advice by any means, this is just my opinion. It may not be a terrible idea to get in if it takes a little dip. I mean, right now, if you look at the one-day chart, I think it was up 12% today alone. Things like that, I would wait for a little bit of a pullback. Let me see here. Yeah, 13% today. So I would wait for a little pullback. These stocks that move this fast and are this volatile, they'll have some pullback days for sure. And then if you're going to buy in, I would wait for that. But I do see potential in this company. While they're not profitable yet, they are in a great emerging market, and there is a lot of room to grow, especially if they ever come to the States. From what I've seen so far, there is a lot of excitement around their cars. They do make good quality cars, and people are very interested in buying them. So for me, I'm going to rate Nio as I'm going to put it on my watch list. I'm not going to buy it. I did, when it first IPO'd, I did buy some shares and then sell them within a couple weeks just for a small profit. I wish I held, but hey, you know, you make mistakes in this trading game. So if you guys enjoyed this video, just be sure to subscribe to the channel for more and click the link on screen now to check out another one of our videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you all in the next one.